This is how you print lowest price on a tag with some kind of code. To do this, you're going to go into Inventory, Categories, List. You're going to choose the category that you want to print the lowest price on the tag in some kind of code, and you're going to double click it. When you go to the Tag tab, you're going to choose the field where you want to print lowest price. If there's not one available, you're going to hit Add and place that on a spot on the tag where it will fit. Under the data section for that line, you're going to choose lowest price. Now by default, if you choose lowest price, it actually prints the lowest price as is. The first thing you have is Format. Format lets you change the way something prints on the tag. You can go down and you can choose letter code times 10, or letter code times 100. Choosing any one of these allows you to place 10 letters in the parameter line to represent those numbers. So if I was to do bad whiskey, which is an old code, the B represents 0, A represents 1 all the way down. So you'll notice that my example was all 9s, so now it's showing all Ys. So you can use any letters to represent those numbers, and the letters start from 0 and go to 9. You can also choose price code. Price code's basically the same, except it allows you to use any characters you want. So again, if I was to type 1AB, I could even throw some asterisks in there. You do need to have a separate one for each number. But now you'll notice that the $ is what's in the last field, so the 9s were changed to that. So you can either use price code or letter code. The other option you have is to get rid of the cents and the $. And you can even put a prefix and postfix on it. So if I wanted the cost to show, but I wanted it to be surrounded by some characters that didn't look like a price code, I could do that. So again, I'm just going to put in a sample price of $750 as the lowest price. What you'll see is that my X34 shows in the front, 750, 24Y shows at the end. You also want to make sure if you are using these that you put only if data is present. Lowest price will always be there, but just in case, you're going to put that so it doesn't print them if there's nothing in that field. You could also change, if this is the way you want to do it, you can change the prefix and the postfix for each and every category that you have. So that's how you can print your lowest price in code on your tag.